green tea mochi is one of the easiest Japanese desserts you can make at home. In our recipe, we'll be showing you how to make green tea mochi with a decadent matcha chocolate filling or red bean filling using a microwave. Here are the ingredients you'll need to make matcha mochi at home. If you don't want a matcha chocolate mochi filling, you can use red bean filling and skip ahead to the next step. We hope you enjoyed our recipe on how to make green tea daifuku that is soft, chewy, and sweet. Make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy mochi recipes at home.